each other's company, we should know each other. Kasi maraming nung kabataan, talagang baby ang mukha. At ngayon medyo tumagal-tagal na, baby pa rin ang mukha. Pero yung iba, although hindi maiiwasan, we are all senior citizens, okay? Okay, ako si Medji. Ang pangalan ko before ay Carmencita Vidal. Kung tawagin ako ni Manny Segura ay Vidal lang, okay? Kasi para palagi naman tinatawag tayo sa surname, no? Okay, so let's break the ice. We will learn, we will know each other. Each one of you will come to the front, say your name. If you are married, say your married name. Introduce your husband or your spouses if they are here. Okay? Siguro wala namang salungat doon sa sinasabi ko. Yes or no? No? Uupo na ako. O sige, ako si Menchi. I'm from New Jersey. Thank you.
Menchi, pakiulit.
Yun lang.
Pakiulit.
Ako ay...
pakiulit.
I retired optionally as a teacher in Manila for 20 years before I migrated to US. I taught there for 8 years. And then, I'm still working. Kahit nasa full retirement age na, I work in the hospital. We prepare and assemble OR instruments for the operating room. I work nights. And then in the morning, I have my apostolate. I have apostle to take care of. I sleep 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night. Okay? That is me. May nagbago ba? Wala. Ang boses ko lang namaos ako kasi nagsisigaw kami na nagsisigaw sa Lanus. Hope you were all there with us.
May pangalan ulit. Pangalan ulit. Pangalan.
Ang pangalan ko daw, sabi ni Johnny, ako si Carmencita Vidal Ventura. I am with my spouse right now, but he doesn't feel good. He is sleeping, but he'll be with us in the afternoon. Thank you.